This is a slim, dimmable LED light. Unboxing. Package includes one LED light, one hot shoe adapter, one power supply adapter, and one user manual. Here you can see the user manual. Also included is the hot shoe adapter and the power supply adapter. It just connects straight to the outlet. And the LED light. It has 116 lamp beads with 3200 to 6200 color temperature. It has brightness adjustment knob, LCD screen, lithium battery socket, power switch on off, and DC power interface. Here I'm going to demonstrate the settings, and so I'm just going to turn the knob right and left. Also, if you click down on it, it'll change the adjustment. Here I'm going to show the brightness, and so I'm just going to adjust the setting from the back. Lastly, I'm going to show the setup, and so you just connect the hot shoe adapter, and then on top the LED light. The angle could be adjusted, as so. This is a great light for photography. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.